tools to manage on the very basic level, manage our stress and anxiety, understanding that these things are energy, and that energy can be manipulated, changed, transformed, transmuted, and that if we stand in some of these postures and we work with this energy, that the anxiety loop, the stress loop is broken. Once we come back to that still mind, that clear mind, that empty mind, to whatever degree, because through meditation, I can come back in a moment to some degree of still mind, quiet mind, calm mind, clear mind, but still be having anxiety. In other words, I have anxiety in a moment, and I go to my standing Wuji posture. I go outside, maybe I go to standing Wuji posture, I close my eyes, and I start to go inward. Well, right away, I start to get a little bit of a vacation from the anxiety, especially if I have some practice with this, because, as I said to you in the program here, in different places, it puts me into a zone after a while, puts me into a clear-minded state. Even though anxiety is going on there, when I stand in this posture, it begins bubbling it, cooking it. It's like taking water, putting it into the pan, and boiling it, okay? It starts bubbling and churning, and when water gets heated up, what happens to it, okay? So you take an ice cube, and you put it in a pan, you turn the heat on, what happens? The ice melts, right? So, and when water boils, what happens? It gets heated up, the molecules start jumping around that much faster, and they turn into what? Steam. The steam then rises, right? This is all like, it's chemistry, but it's also, that's alchemy, all right?